Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to import CSV file in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I'm going to import the CSV file. For that, go to the data tab. In get and transform data group, click on the from text or CSV option. And here see one dialog box is open, import data. Okay. So in documents folder, I have a one file. I just click on the date modified and you can see I just saved this file employee sales report CSV. Okay. I show you this file type also here, the types of file, the Microsoft Excel comma separated value file means CSV. Okay, so I'm going to import this CSV in Excel. Simply click on it and click on the import and wait for the few seconds. Here one dialog box is open, employee sales report CSV. So this is the file name of CSV. Then file origin, if you want to change, just click on this drop down arrow and select here those you want. Delimiter, you can select if you want the equal sign, you can select here the equal signs. See here, if you want the comma, you can add the comma. Okay, colon, you can add here the colon also in your data. After that, data type detection. Just click on the drop down arrow. There are three options based on the first 200 row, based on the entire data set, and do not detect data type. So select accordingly your requirement. Okay. After that, click on the load. That's it. You can see your CSV file data is imported with the colon. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.